Hello, what's up? Ali here, and today let me go ahead and show you how we can use GoldHen Cheats on the jailbroken PS4. We will cover different steps how we can install and update our GoldHen Cheats manager. But just a disclosure, since I am a very lazy person, and if there is an easy way, I no longer bother myself with the hard way. So what I'm going to show you on this video is the easiest way how we can do that, or how we can have cheats on our jailbroken PS4. So what I'm going to do right now is, since I already have my PS4 cheats manager, I'll go ahead and delete this, and I will show you a method how we can have a cheats on our PS4 without having this cheats manager. And for that, we are going to need to download an application. You will find the link on our description. Now just open the link and it will take you to this website, and click on this part to download the file. After downloading, just transfer it in your hard drive or external hard drive, as long as it's formatted to exFAT or FAT32. Now, once everything's all set, let us go ahead and install this on our PS4. Back on the PS4, let us go ahead and activate our jailbreak first. And install our GoldHen Cheats. Now, the good thing on this kits is that you don't need the GoldHen Cheats manager, and you don't have to update this manually. All you have to do is just download and install the application, run the application, and it will automatically install all the necessary files. You can actually go ahead and delete this after you have run the application. After this, you can go ahead and close and run your game. Let's try this on the Lies of P. Now, while in game, all you have to do is just press and hold the share button, and it will load all available cheats for that game. Let us try this one. And I don't know what ergo is, but let's go ahead and try this one as well. All right. Okay, so the ergo is the stamina. Well, you can always toggle the kits on and off. All right. Now let us go ahead and see if this supports some new games like the Valhalla DLC in God of War Ragnarok. One of the things that you need to consider when using cheats is that they can only support up to a specific version of the game. So if you are using cheats and planning to update your game, you have to check it first if your cheats manager supports the current version of the game that you want to update to. Now let us go ahead and check what are the cheats available on this game. All right. And this is actually the easiest way to have cheats on your jailbroken PS4. You don't have to install any application and update the database manually. Now, if you want to use a more general GoldHen Cheats, I would strongly recommend to install the GoldHen Cheats Manager. For that, it is still highly advisable to just install the homebrew store, and from the homebrew store, you can install and download and update your GoldHen Cheats Manager. So let us go ahead and open our homebrew store. Now, if you don't have this application yet, I will just leave a link on our description on how to download and install and use this amazing application. With this application, you can always make sure that the application that you want to install is always up to date and is definitely compatible to your current firmware. Now, to download the GoldHen Cheats Manager, just go to the Store Groups, Utility, and look for the GoldHen Cheats Manager or any application that you want to download. Just select the application and download and install. After installing, you can go ahead and run the application. You can find the cheats on the Cheats tab and check every possible supported games. You can go ahead and press triangle to filter. These are the games that currently installed in your PS4. Also keep in mind of the region of the game that it supports. Say for example, you have installed a Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 but on a different region. Unfortunately, you won't be able to use the cheats on a different region. So if you want to use the cheats, make sure you are using the same region. Now, if you want to update this application, click on Update. And you have an option here to update manually. You can download the GoldHen Cheat repository and transfer it in your USB and install it here. Or you can simply use the internet to update this application. You can also check the online database to check which games or cheats that are available online. This is different from the GoldHen Cheats Manager database. As you can see, sometimes it has more cheats than the application itself. So this will be it for now. If you have any questions or suggestions or issues that you have encountered throughout the whole process, just go ahead and leave them on our comment section and I will definitely address them. And again, my name is Ali. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will definitely see you on our next video. Bye-bye.